Okay, sorry I got cut off there. Kids were joining Zoom a bit early for their class. I guess that happens. Okay, so nous avons notre verbe auxiliaire passé. So passé composé, pretty much you make by combining your auxiliary verb, which is either avoir or être, and your participe passé. So if we want to take something like je and use the verb parler to say like I talked, so you're talking to you're saying instead of saying I talk, you're I talked. It's in the past tense. What you're going to do is you're going to use j'ai. You're going to use the avoir form. So we take our j'ai from up here and bring it down here, j'ai, and then we know that parler isn't. If we look at the end, it's an er verb. That means the er becomes e with an accent aigu. J'ai parlé. Okay, and that's pretty much it for passé composé. Now there are one thing that we're gonna focus on today is when to use avoir and when to use être. You use être when you have Dr. Mrs. Van der Tramp. Let's see if Mr. Sullivan can do this without having to cheat. So these are all aside from reflexive verbs, which we'll get to later, but right now these are the verbs that you know will take will take être in the passé composé. This is where you use the être part. So we're gonna have descendre. Let's see. No, okay. I don't know what's going on there. Okay. Revenir. Mourir. Retourner. Sortir. Venir. Arriver. Naître. Devenir. Entrer. Revenir. Retourner. Revenir, rester, tomber. Oh, these R's. Rentrer, there we go. Aller, that's going to be one that you're going to monter. Partir et passer. Yay, Mr. Sullivan got it all right. I don't know. I've only been doing I learned Dr. and Mrs. Van der Tramp in 1997, so it's only been 23 years, so I think it happened. Jesus, almost been a quarter of a century. I'm getting old, guys. So these are the verbs that when you see these, instead of using the j'ai like we have with j'ai parlé, you're going to go up and use être instead. Like so, if I want to say mourir is the verb to die. If I want to say he died, you say il, he. We look up, we know it's mourir. It's going to be il est, est. And then the past participle is mort. I'm not going to give you that one, obviously, because it's a irregular past participle. Don't worry. Probably tomorrow I'll give you a little list of past participles. But that should be it for passé composé right now. Hopefully you feel a bit more comfortable with it, and you feel like you can have a better grasp of it. Okay.